At the end of the day, we think of ourselves as much more than just a denim company. It's really about a company to fit you and fit your lifestyle and fit your body. You know, a couple of years ago, I was shopping around for some pants. It was Black Friday, and store after store after store, I was having issues with fitting at the time, my thighs relative to my waist, and it was just a big pain. So a light bulb went up on my head on, you know, something can be done different. Why do I have to fit into clothing when clothing could be made to fit me?
There was just so much sizing inconsistency across brands. That was really frustrating. You know, we did a bunch of research. Once we even interviewed a bunch of people at the mall, we realized we were definitely far from alone. So that kind of planted the seed in our heads that, you know, this is a real issue that we need to solve.
I was not in the apparel space at all. I was not in the direct-to-consumer,
Nor was I.
Not in the e-com space, any of that. And so it was really, how do I get smart as quickly as possible on this? And
one of the biggest things that I wish I would have heard from the beginning was just testing. I feel like, you know, since this was an industry that we're completely new to and all of that, like just testing little by little. I think one of the biggest mistakes that we made was maybe trying to do everything at once from the beginning and, you know, going big.
At the very beginning, we thought we were gonna make a bunch of unsewn jeans where the waist was already sewn, but the legs of the jeans were open, and then it would be trimmed by hand and closed up and sent to the customer. We quickly realized that was not gonna fly, right? We knew we really had to go to cut from scratch, and there's two options. There's automate it or do it handmade. Not only takes longer, so it's more expensive, but it's also just less accurate. It produces less clean cuts and clean edges than a laser cutter does. And so serendipitously at the time, got introduced to Tukatech. After being demonstrated this machine in a couple of other partner facilities here in LA, we knew it's what we had to use. Your body it's like your fingerprint. It's not about being a 32 by 32 waist and length. There's so much more to how your physique and your legs and your calves and your thighs and your waist and your butt, all of that really comes together, that there's millions and millions of iterations of what I can look like, you can look like, anyone else can look like. It's really about fitting you throughout and making something that's made for you instead of having to myself worry about and struggle with finding what's out there that's closest to what I am.
At LASSO, we don't want to compromise quality or fit. Trust is one of the things that we've really been wanting to establish with customers. Obviously, this idea of custom made is a very new concept. Anyone right now can just go into a store and buy off the rack jeans, but it's a really foreign concept to buy jeans and trust that the person is going to make them to your measurements.
Once you have the jeans, it's an incredible feeling to us, an incredible feeling for our customers when they reach out and said, you know, I've never had a pair of jeans that fit me like this. I've never felt like my body's been listened to the way it is now. America was for a long, long time and still is just power of the world in a lot of manufacturing and a lot of just business. And it's unfortunate to see so much of it being offshore just for cost savings. And we kind of really believe in the power of American manufacturing, the quality that comes with it, the pay it back to your country aspect that comes with it. And so we're committed to kind of doing that both now and long term.
By having American made and literally having our factory 10 minutes away driving, we can easily come here and, you know, make sure that our workers have good conditions. We know that they're getting, you know, paid very well, earning fair wages. And also a lot of our customers do order from US. The product will get to them even faster.
We're living in a world where technology is everything. Even our business as it is now, as advanced as custom made jeans, like there's so much more runway for how we can make the customer experience better with at-home scanning, at-home measurements, or 3D modeling that people can visualize on themselves through augmented reality. There's a future that's wonderful for how we're gonna be able to provide an even more special experience, and it's literally just us two. All the way from creating that brand experience on the website to literally, as you just saw me, cutting, you know, hand cutting through this machine that enables it, each pair of order that goes to our customers, seeing that quality check ourselves. And I think there's a beauty in that.
It is pretty amazing to kind of touch all aspects of the business. So on a given day, I'll be answering customer support emails in the morning. I'll be then, you know, pattern making, creating our Instagram posts. So I really get to see the entire life cycle of, you know, our business.
LA is the denim capital of the country. LA is the apparel capital of the country. It's where the highest quality sewers are, where all the best brands are. It's just a place to be.
We are from Miami, Florida, so that is on the complete other side. And unfortunately, Miami doesn't have a very innovative, you know, fashion scene. LA, what really attracted us was there's always innovation here, constantly brands coming out, doing really cool things. So obviously we wanted to be a part of that.